The side drawer comes in handy if the end user needs to quickly return to the home screen or skip to any other screen that's used frequently. Here's how to program this element. First, open your home screen and click on the set of parallel lines called a hamburger in the upper left corner of the screen in the workspace window. This will open the side drawer that will be accessible on each screen of your app. There are buttons just like those used for the home screen choices. Create buttons to go along with the Home button, seen here as a default. For example, let's create buttons for your gallery and PDF screens. When buttons are added, they must be linked to screens, otherwise the app won't work. Once you've created corresponding screens, connect them to the buttons in the side drawer. Note, the home screen is automatically connected to the Home button. When you're done programming all the buttons, resave the home screen.